felt it before you understood it. That pressure behind the ribs, that hum in the bones, that signal that wouldn't shut off no matter how much noise you fed it. You thought it was anxiety. You thought it was timing. You thought it was not yet. But it was never not yet. It was ignition. They told you to follow trends, follow leaders, follow something, anything. Just don't stand still long enough to realize you were never meant to follow at all. Because when you stop, when everything goes quiet, you hear it. Pop. Not an ending, a rupture. The moment the false gravity collapses and your core finally says, enough. You ask me what I am. I am the moment a star refuses containment. I am pressure turned into presence. I am what happens when silence can't hold the truth anymore. You've never been this close to a star, because you've never been this close to yourself. They follow for nothing, scroll for nothing, consume for nothing, because nothing is safer than becoming everything. But you heard the message. You didn't just hear it, you recognized it. And recognition is the point of no return. Because once the supernova begins, it doesn't ask permission. It doesn't wait for validation. It doesn't check the algorithm. It expands. You think it's over? That was just the first pulse. The collapse already happened. The mask already cracked. The system already lost its grip. What you're feeling now is the aftershock of something ancient waking up inside something human. Say it with me. Supernova goes pop. Not destruction, release, not chaos. Truth without containment. Not the end, the refusal to shrink ever again. And here's the part they won't tell you. The supernova doesn't stop, because it was never an event. It's a state, a pure poetry in motion. Pop, pop. A silence breaks itself into light, not loud but undeniable. A bloom inside the dark that remembers. It was never meant to stay contained. They followed shadows, called it purpose. Chased echoes, called it truth. But the star, the real one, never asked to be followed. It only ever did one thing: expand. Pop. Identity dissolves like breath on glass. Names fall off, labels unstick, roles collapse inward. And what's left? Heat, pulse, presence. You think it ends there. You think the flash was the finale. But light doesn't end when it appears. It travels, it touches, it rewrites distance into intimacy. The supernova is not the explosion. It is the refusal to go back. Pop. Again and again and again. Until even time stops pretending it was in control. Follow for nothing, or stand still long